Hi, friends. This is Miss Sarah from the Peter White Public Library, and welcome to our first Tiny Tot Take and Play sensory bin. So, by the time you're watching this, you should have stopped with your grown-ups at the library to pick up your sensory bin, and this month is our first one, and we're doing construction vehicles and digging and all sorts of fun things. So, you're going to get your container, and it's got a bunch of stuff inside of it. You should have some tongs. These are called tongs. You should have a little cup and a scoop and a popsicle stick. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and unbox all of these things and see what's inside it. And I'm going to start showing you how you can play with this. So it's got clips. You're going to have to go on the side like this and clip. You're going to have to clip all of them, clip them all like that. And we can just set the lid over to the side. We're still going to need the lid, so don't get rid of it, okay? And inside, we have some really fun stuff. I have some diggers. This one's even got like a scoop on the front. Here's another digger, a cup, a bag full of corn, and a shovel. How cool is that? So take everything out, and we're going to use this white part here, okay? And you might want a grown-up to help you with unzipping the corn just so you don't make a big mess. But we're going to take the corn out of our bag. So we're going to open up our bag, and we're going to dump the corn out like that. Woo! How much fun is that, you guys? Before we even get started with anything, let's just feel this. Why don't you feel the corn? Can you pick it up in your hands and let it go like that? It makes a really nice noise. You can swish it like that. Now you don't want to dump it out because it'll make a big mess. Although if it does dump out and make a big mess, then you can get to help clean it up, and cleaning up is fun too. All right, let's see the things that we can do with this. I am going to start with my digger truck, and I'm going to put them right in there like that, just like that. And you can drive around. I'm going to get my other digger truck and drive around too. Cool. Look at, they roll right through that corn really nicely, don't they? Can I use my digger to scoop some corn up? I'm going to go like that and scoop some corn up. Look at it works. And now I'm going to use my big cup and dump it in. I'm going to get some more. Scoop it up. Dump it in. Scoop it up. Dump it in. What else can I do? I'm going to get my shovel. There we go. Ooh, that's cool. Look, it's just like a shovel we would use outside. Let's see if I can scoop up some corn. Just like that, and dump it into my cup. That's perfect. Let's see, what else can I do? I'm going to try my tongs. Let's see if I can figure out how to work these. I'm going to go and squish it in the corn like that. And that kind of works. Going to see if I can fill this all the way up. What else can I try? How about this spoon? I'm going to try this wood spoon. Let's see. Oh, that works really good. I like using the wood spoon, you guys. I'm going to put that back in there. Oh, my truck came out. Let's see if I can use this other scooper somehow. I think this scooper might be missing his scoop. That's okay. We're going to go like that. And, oh, well, that scooper doesn't work so good, but he can drive around in the corn. That's awesome. Scoop up some more corn, pour it in. Maybe we can use our popsicle stick and stir our corn up. Let's see, maybe we can scoop some up with this cup. There we go. Look at that. It's getting nice and full. And I bet if I scoop corn out of the cup at the bottom, this cup will fit right in, just like that. All right, guys. Will you go ahead and play and have fun with these? We have lots of really cool things that you can do with this. You could even bury some stuff from your house in this. Let me think. What could you do? You could ask your grown-ups for a black bean, a dry black bean or something like that. And you could bury your black bean in the corn, and then you could scoop and dig for your black bean. What do you guys think? You could do that. What else could you do? If you have other little toys, you could add little toys to this if you want. There are so many options of what you can do with this. You can just play with the corn. It feels really cool. You can rub it between your hands. What does it feel like? Can you tell me what it feels like? Even though it's dry corn, I think it feels kind of soft. It's not scratchy. It's not scratching me. It's smooth. It's very smooth, yes. Lots of things you can do with this. When you're all done playing, the really great thing about these is you put everything back inside like that. And then you can use this and you can put the lid right back on and snap it shut. That way the stuff doesn't spill out. You can even carry it by the handle. I don't suggest shaking it really hard, you guys, because these are not super, super, super strong containers. So I would carry it with 2 hands, or I would carry it with this and 1 hand on the bottom. So that way, because if you were to drop it, it would probably pop open and spill, okay? So now that you are playing with your container, you can go to the next video in this playlist, and we are going to sing some construction songs, okay? I have lots of construction songs that we're gonna sing together, and I'm also going to show you some really cool construction books. So while you're playing, you can turn on the construction songs and sing with us, okay? All right, I'll see you in just a little bit in the next video. Have fun playing with your corn and your trucks.